Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome in your computer class. And I wish that all of you are fine and healthy. So, let's begin our class today. As in our last class, we have seen chapter 2 of your book. In that, we have seen software and its type, where we have discussed system softwares and application software, right? So now it's time to do the book exercise. So let's begin the book exercise. First we will start from MCQs, right? So your MCQs are here. The first one is, this language consists of 0 and 1. You need to tell the language consists of 0 and 1. Among three languages that we have studied, machine language, assembly language and high level language, among them which one is having these two, 0 and 1? That is machine language. So your answer is option 1, machine language. Now let's move to the next one. This language consists of mnemonics. This language consists of mnemonics. So which language is that using mnemonics? Mnemonics आए थे machine language के बाद, means when the assembly language was in use. So assembly language is using mnemonics. So your answer is option B, assembly language. Now option 3, this language consists of English like statements. अब ये third language है जिसमें English kind of statements are being used. तो ये language है the modern language, that is high level language. So answer number 3 is option C, high level language. Done. So these were your book exercise first 3. Now let's move to the next one. Now let's move to the fourth one. An operating system is a type of operating system is what kind of software? System software or application software? Or is it a custom made application software? So that is operating system is a system software. Then question number 5, library management software is an example of, जो library management system है that is an application software but it is custom made application software. So this answer is C, custom made application software. Now option C, question number 6, writer software is an example of, writer software is an example of system or application. So this is application software, right? Writer is an application software. Now let's move to the true and false. The machine language is the elementary language of a computer. Machine language is an elementary language, that is true. Machine language is an elementary language. Okay, so answer number 1 is true. So here you will write true. Then 1 and 2 are also called binary digits. So in this answer 1 is correct. 1 is a binary digit but 2 is not a binary digit. This answer will be false. Now move to the next one. Learning the high level language is more difficult than learning the machine language. Learning of high level language is difficult than machine language. But no, machine language is having 0 and 1, so that is more difficult. But high level language is consisting English kind of language, so that's why it is easier to learn. So third one is also false. This is false. Now, a compiler or interpreter changes the high level language into the machine language. कंपाइलर और जो इंटरप्रेटर होते हैं मीन्स लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसर, तो लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसर जो हैं वो हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज को मशीन लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. येस दे डू. द language processor do the same. They convert high level language to machine language. So this answer is true. Now the next one, let's move to the next one. Your next one is now the fifth one is Windows 7 and Ubuntu are the example of an application software. This is saying that Windows 7 and Ubuntu are the example of application software. So that is wrong. They are not the example of application software, but they are the operating system, so they are system software. So your answer is false. Then the next one, a library management software is an example of system software. No, that is again false, because library management system is a custom made application software, as we have seen in MCQs as well. अभी हमने MCQs में भी ये देखा कि लाइब्रेरी मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर जो है वो कस्टम मेड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है. सो दैट्स वाई दिस आंसर बिकेम फॉल्स. डन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, द डिस्क यूजेस एनालाइजर इज अ यूटिलिटी प्रोग्राम. The disk uses analyze is a utility program. That is true. This is a true. Disk use space is a utility program. So your last answer is true. So all your answers are confined. First is true, then second one is false, third is also false, fourth is true, then fifth, sixth are false, and seventh is true. Done. Now let's move to the fill-ups. In fill-ups, the first answer is the machine languages consist of. Machine language में क्या होता है? What are the terms that machine language consists? So they are zeros and ones. So your answer is for number 1, zeros and ones. This is your answer number 1. Then move to the next one. High level languages. You can write instruction in English like statement. The question is asking which language you can write instruction in English like statement. तो हम English like statement लिख सकते हैं in high level language. So your high level language is the answer for option number 2. And your fill-ups number 2 became high level language. Now let's move to the next one. Third one is a dash, or a dash converts a high level language program into the machine language. What are the things that convert high level language into a machine language? So that is compiler and interpreter. Both are the language processor, and language processor perform as a translator or a converter. A high level language to the machine language. So your answer is compiler and interpreter. Is it done? Now we will move to the next one, that is number 4. Dash is an example of system software. Dash is an example of system software. तो system software का example है operating system. It is an example of system software, right? Like many other are also the system software, but operating system is the best example of system software, because operating system work to manage all the activity of the computer. So that's why, and directly we are not using it, but it give us a support to work on. Operating systems give us the support to work on computer, or they are like a bridge between computer and a user. So that's why operating system is an example of system software. So 4th one is done. Now the 5th one is LibreOffice Base is an example of dash application software. Means here you need to tell which kind of application software. जैसे हमने देखा था कि there are 2 type of application software. One is general and the other one are custom made, right? So general we need to tell, or we need to tell the general purpose, or we need to tell the custom made. So LibreOffice Base is a general purpose, right? Not for the custom made. So answer number 5th is general purpose application software. Okay, so that is your answer number 5. I am writing your answer here, as this spelling is not so much clear for you, so I am writing it here. Okay, so you also note it down. I am writing it with white color, maybe it is more visible for you. So you will write GENERAL, general purpose. Okay, so this is your answer number 5. Now is it visible to you? Yes. Okay, now this, is it clear? Now the next one is a result making software is an example of dash application software. So this answer number 6 is answer number 6. I am taking it away so that you can write it and see it properly. This one is your answer number 5, general purpose, and your answer number 6 is custom made application software, as result making is a custom made application software. Okay, so write down custom made. Custom made application software. So these are your fill-ups. Now the question answer we are going to do in the next period, right? So that's all for the day that we have completed. You complete your book exercise in your notebooks, and then we will move ahead. So thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.